Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wiggly coming at you live from the Ninth Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. How you doing today? Are you staying positive? Remember, maintain a constantly positive mental attitude. PMA. Just write that on a little notepad or a sticky note and write it all over the place. Put it all over the place. PMA, PMA, PMA. Put it on your phone's home screen. PMA, positive mental attitude. Work on it every single day by focusing on the positives. No matter what the negative is that comes to you, look for the positives in it. Develop that habit of maintaining a constantly positive attitude. Just like I'm positive that you're going to enjoy the new look of Excel. Now, check this out. That's the old Excel. That might be the Excel that you're looking at right now. And they've changed the whole interface. And it looks a lot cooler now. So this is the old version. Some of y'all are going to have this for a while. Later on, I'm going to show you how you can participate in the program that Microsoft has so that you're always going to be able to test out the newest features before everybody else. So this morning when I opened up Excel, it looked completely different. So this is yesterday when I was looking at Excel. This is what it looked like right here. All right, now check out the new look. Watch this. When I opened up Excel today, even the splash screen, look at the splash screen. It looks different. And now let's open up an Excel spreadsheet. The same one I had open just now. And boom, look at that. Doesn't that already look different? Cool. It's a read-only file, so yes. Now look at that. I was like, wow. Let's explore the new look of Excel today. So check it out. Nice. I like it. Remember, while they sleep, I excel. Say that to yourself all the time. PMA also. But check it out. I had a completely different live stream plan for today, and I opened up Excel, and suddenly I was like, wow, look at all this. Now, when you open up Excel and it's your turn to see the new interface, there's going to be a little tutorial, little help tools. There'll be a little tool that appears right there that tells you what the new features are. And every time you press OK on it, it'll open up right over here, and it'll show you what new feature is over here. Then it'll open up over here, and it'll show you what these new features are. So whenever you open up Excel and you see the new interface, follow along those little prompts so that you can see. But let's just go ahead and check it out. I mean, it looks it looks a lot different. The only thing that looks the same to me, kind of the same, is the ribbon. But even that looks a little bit different because look, if we just go right over here to the edges, look at that. It's kind of rounded on the edges. Well, see, there you go. Little round edge right there. And look at the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar right here. It looks different. It's bigger. Like we can add more things to it, and it's just easier to read. Let's see what else we got. Let's take a look at, let's just right click. Let's right click right up here. Right click. All right, see what we got here. Right click on where it says Power Pivot. Customize the ribbon. Let's see what it says for customize the ribbon. See what kind of, if we got any new features over here. This looks the same. All right, cool. Let's right click on the styles group, add to quick access toolbar, customizer. Okay, those are all the same. Let's right click on the actual quick access toolbar. Right click. Wow, look at that now. This is new. Hide the quick access toolbar. Before you could only show the quick access toolbar above the ribbon or below the ribbon. Now you can actually hide the quick access toolbar if you want. And hide command labels also. Let's see. Let's do hide command labels. Wow, look at that. Now we just see the commands. We know what they are because we put them there and we know what they look like. But whenever you hover over any of them, a tooltip will appear to let you know what those commands are. Now check this out. We've always called these tools. And then came Office 365. And slowly, Mac users, well, let me start this over again. We had Microsoft Office, and then we had Office for Mac. And in Office, we've always called these tools. And Mac users, you know that you call these commands. Now, slowly, Excel has been evolving so that Excel for Mac and Excel for Windows is pretty much the same. It's just going to look a little bit different based on, you know, you're used to looking at your interface in a Mac versus Windows. So you'll know if you're a Mac user, you'll know exactly what to do. But I noticed in order to make it more Mac, Excel for Mac and Excel for Windows almost the same, they're starting to name things, the names of certain functions and certain features like tools. They're called commands now. I don't know why I just spent so much time on that. Because there's a lot of Mac users that I forgot about because I'm such a Windows user. So here we go. So we can right click in case we have a lot of items on our quick access toolbar. We can just hide the labels. Or maybe we don't have that many items and we want to show the command labels. And then that way we know what they are. Nice. That's pretty cool. All right. Now let's go ahead and say, hey, hide the quick access toolbar. I want to know what the shortcuts are. So hide the quick access toolbar. What's the shortcut to open it up? I know that Control F1 will hide the ribbon. Control F1 will open up the ribbon. But what opens up? What's the shortcut to unhide the quick access toolbar? If you know it or you figured it out, go ahead and put it in the description and I'll have a special prize for you. The first one that tells me what the shortcut is, keyboard shortcut is to hide and unhide the quick access toolbar, I've got a special prize for you. It's worth $440. So let me just right click up here again though. Right click. No, where do I right click to show the quick access toolbar? Let me right click. Show the quick access toolbar. So we actually got to click right on our ribbon. Right on that part of the ribbon. So we can right click and then show quick access toolbar, and there's our quick access toolbar. Nice. Everything's got a nice little rounded soft look to it. Look, even right here, the formula bar, nice little round looks. And take a close look at the tabs. Let me the worksheet tabs. Let me minimize this. Notice that our tabs also got a nice little rounded look to them. Look at that. Nice. It's kind of cool. I like that. Everything's getting a little bit of a softer look. And I've noticed this has been evolving since 2007 is when I really started to notice that they're paying a lot more attention to the design of the user interface. All right, let's see what else we got over here. Let's click on, this Analyze Data tool still there. That one's pretty cool. Check it out. I'm going to just click on Analyze Data, and it's going to analyze the data in my worksheet. And then it's going to give me recommendations of what I can do with that data. See that? That's pretty cool. And I can even tell Excel, ask it, hey, give me the top 3 names by total in January. And there you have it right there. And I can just click Insert Pivot Table, and it'll insert that pivot table right there for you. So Excel is evolving to the point when we can ask it what we want when we use the Analyze Data tool. Percentage of total February for each name. Whoa. Nice. All right. So let's keep on looking over here. See what else we got. And let's look at the Formulas tab. Everything looks the same there. Where did I see something different? View. Insert. This looks a little bit different for me. Well, the add-ins part right here. Add-ins. And And it's looking like it's showing the add-ins that are available to me already as little icons for them. So I can just go ahead and click them and launch those add-ins. That's pretty cool. So illustrations is the same. They just wanted to fit more things on the ribbon, so they just kind of squished everything in a little bit over here. Let's click on this drop down. Full screen mode. Let's see that. Oh, that's cool. Full screen mode. Let's see. And then how do we know what's going on? Oh, wow. Pay close attention right up here. Right at the top of the workbook. You see right above the phone number bar? You see how that changes colors? Can you notice? See that? Now I click on it, and then now I can see my ribbon. Not my quick access toolbar, but I can see the ribbon. Right click, hide quick access to. Where is the quick access toolbar? I don't see it on here. Control F1. Boom. Then you press Control F1. Control F1. Control F1 doesn't unhide the ribbon. Let me click on the ellipsis right up here, and let's see what we do here. Click on the ellipsis, and that shows us our ribbon. I guess we got to click on the ribbon display options right over here. Control F1 to collapse or expand the ribbon. Hey, that's what we're doing. Control F1, but it doesn't seem to be wanting to work for us. Control F1. Let's go right ahead and say show tabs only. Oh, and there's our quick access toolbar right there, and the tabs, so we can just click on one and see what's on the what's available for us. Okay, so let's click right here on our ribbon options again. Ooh, that's the formula. Ribbon options disappear, so let's press Control F1 now. Oh, look at that. Ha! Yes. Okay, so let's see what else we got over here. Page layout. Oh, have you ever explored themes? I shouldn't go here, but just let me show you real quick, because they added some new themes, it seems like to me. But look at the themes. Look at the header row, okay? And look at the tabs for each one of my ribbons, and look at the fonts in the ribbons. Just check all that out when I try different styles. This is the regular office style. Here's a different called facet. And look how it changes even the look of our column headers and row numbers. Look at all these different ones that we can apply. Vapor trail. So go ahead and explore your different themes, and maybe you just customize Excel to make it just like you want it for yourself. Let's look just a little bit more, see what else what will jump right out at me. And let's see. Oh, this one, the sheet view. When we go to the view tab, and here's this new sheet view right here. Now, it's not working for me right now. Why? Because I'm not saving to the cloud. Once you start saving to the cloud, then this sheet view will be available to you. And what this does is, I'll do a video on just sheet view, but basically you can just set up different views. Like I can filter out, let's say I filter out, let's see, Control Shift L, and I want only these cities right here. Boom. So then I can save that view. Now, like I said, this is not working right now because in order to activate that sheet view, we need to save to the cloud. And this makes it so we can collaborate with team members. And talking about collaboration, check out the comments up here. Comments. So when you're working in the cloud and you're working with a team, you can say, hey, we're going to do a new comment for this particular sheet. And in particular, that cell that I'm in right now, B1. See, I'm in B1 right here. And it's saying, hey, look, you're in B1 right there. And then we can start a conversation. We can even add somebody. Like I got somebody from my team here, my operations manager. As soon as I start adding her name in here, let's see if it, she probably got this, and she's probably saying, hey, what's he doing? And so you can add to people on your team, and then when they go into the comments, they'll be able to see what's going on in regards to this particular cell that we're talking about. So we see here now that we have comment. Pretty cool. Yeah. Let me just click on it. There it is. Now it's right in there. We can just be carrying that chat for that specific cell right there. All right, so let's see what else. If there's anything that you see that you've noticed that it looks different to you on the interface, let me know. Go ahead into the comments. Check this out right here. I mean, overall, I get the impression that they've just worked at softening it up, softening the look of Excel. And when you go to the File tab, go to your account. So File tab, scroll all the way down to the Account tab, and then right in here, you'll be able to see that there's the Office Insider program. I recommend that you join that because that way you'll be able to check out new builds of Office once or twice a month. And right now I'm on the setup for current channel previews. All right, so look, you can change your Office background over here, and then you can also use the system setting. You can go with a dark gray look or black. Let's go back over here and see what this. Ooh, wow, that's kind of weird. Hey, so let's see this. Check it out. Since it's kind of Darth Vader-ish, let's insert a sheet, and then let's go right here to illustrations and 3D models, and then let's say stock 3D models. We're looking for one. Let's say Darth Vader. I wonder if there's a Darth Vader. No Darth Vader. Spaceship. Do we have 3D models for a spaceship? Oh, we kind of do. Hey, put this one in there. And there we have it. We have our 3D model of a spaceship. Okay, now I'm getting a little bit carried away, but there's just so many cool things going on with Excel. Now remember, go back to your account, and then you can just change your backgrounds and change your theme. I'm going with my system settings, but there you have it. Isn't that cool? Join the Office Insider program and let me know whenever you open up Excel and you have the new view of Excel. What do you think about it? And while you're at it, my friends, I invite you to come check out don'tgetmadgetskills.com. Just go to don'tgetmadgetskills.com, and you're going to land on this page right here. And every month, I teach the 7 Steps to Excel Success basic class for free for 15 students. So go ahead and check it out. Just click on any one of these to know what this specific class is about. I recommend you take all 5 classes. They all go together. I just broken them out into about 1.5 hour sessions instead of spending whole 6-7 hours learning it. We can go day by day. So check out the schedule, and then also I would recommend that when you're in Don't Get Mad Get Skills, go to the live classes and go to workshops. And when you get to workshops, it's going to take you right to this page right here, and you're going to see the upcoming workshops. Upcoming workshop is learn how to write formulas and use functions in Excel. Regardless of wherever you are in the world, you're going to see that my time right here, and then you're going to see your time. Whatever your time is, you're going to see that time. That way you'll know. And I'm doing this as an international version of this class because I'm doing it at 8 p.m. Pacific. There's a lot of users in India, that side of the world, that y'all always have to stay up real late to watch my trainings. Well, this time I'm going to stay up late, and I'm going to do the training so you can do it at your top learning time. So when you go right here to live classes, click on workshop, or Don't Get Mad Get Skills, click on workshops, live classes, workshops. You'll land here. And then I just say, just click on the image, and look, just set a reminder right there. This one is going to be streamed on YouTube, and you can watch it right here, or you can just watch it in YouTube and ask questions right through the chat box in there. Scroll down a little bit further, and you're going to see the upcoming My 30 Favorite Excel Shortcuts, Tips, and Tricks. I love this workshop, and it's pretty popular. So I'd say click on it, go check it out, see what's going on. It's 2 live classes plus a whole bunch more good stuff in here. Check it out. And my friends, you can scroll down in this upcoming workshop section and see highlights of previous workshops that I've done. So come on now. Keep on learning so that you can learn to love Excel just as much as I do. And you can say, hey, I excel while everybody else is sleeping, and then watch your career just catapult. Just so you know, I remember when I used to roof houses, and then I started getting me some skills, and next thing you know, I made my dreams come true, and I'm doing exactly what I want to do, when I want to do it, how I want to do it, on my own time. And I love you. I love you with all my heart and all my soul, and I want you to keep on learning. And most of all, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.